Today's quick tip is, at any cost, never, never, never touch your seat post. I'm gonna touch it now, then I'm gonna clean it. But I was watching a video and the girl did it like this to unfold your Brompton. The thing is, some people have a very greasy hand, or sometimes you just touch something that's greasy, and this will affect the way the seat post stays on. Because if the seat post is greasy, that's one thing that you always have to clean it. Even if it's the right adjustment, you know, here, it will go down with your weight. So please never touch it here. Do it like this, you know, from the front of your saddle. Just hold it here, the front of your saddle, and put it back, you know. Just throw to the back and that's it, you know. Easy, easy peasy. Hope you like it. It's a very quick tip, but very, very important. Always keep your seat post clean. Never touch with your hands or anything, any greasy thing. Bye-bye. Hope you like. Oh, wait. If you did like it, thumbs up. It does help the channel. And if you're not part of it, please do sign in and click the little bell, because the little bell will tell you these quick tips, because, you know, I do them when something happens, so I never know when they're going out. See ya. Bye-bye.